Hiya, it's Xavier and welcome to my bonsai retreat. As you know, I'm not here right now, but my plants are. And last year I challenged my kids to try and practice some bonsai skills, and I gave them 4 Cotoneasters grown from cuttings, and I set them the task of creating bonsai from them. They had a laugh, and in my usual style, and for those of you who watch regularly, you know exactly what that means. There was a lot of fun times there, including when my daughter Tamara discovered what a nabari was. But anyway, I'm going to show you a couple of quick trailer clips, no more than a minute or so, just to see whether or not it gets your attention. If it does, follow on, watch the full video. It is well worth it, and more so because in another week or so I'll be showing you the updated state of all 4 of those pre-bonsai trees that my kids started last year. So if that interests you, watch it. Not only will it help you understand the video that's going to be coming in another week's time, but also, as you know, it's going to support my channel, and as a result it's going to make me feel warm and gooey inside. You know my aim, I want to try and get some of those earlier, better videos up to 1,000 views. So please, see if you can help me. Meanwhile, I'm going to enjoy the wildlife in Bonsai. Happy bonsai and God bless. Enjoy the clip. Cheers. Hiya there, it's Xavier down the bottom of the garden again, and today's Easter challenge is all about finding out just how much my kids respect and love me, because they all say that they watch my videos, and in fact they're the only ones who probably do watch my videos. So what I've done is I've got 4 of my cuttings from 4 or 5 years ago, and and they're going to be required to go through the basic techniques of assessing them, looking at them, deciding what they want to do with them based on the knowledge they've picked up watching my very good videos. They're going to do a bit of root pruning, and they've got their own little chopsticks which will break. Katrina, put it back.
This is my tree.
Okay.
This is a quality tree right here.
You decide which trees you want, you think about it, plan it, and then ask me questions. You can even introduce us as Katerina.
I'm obviously. If you got a little pot, we can bring some things in. Yeah.
No.
Since when did it become an exam?
It did.
Oh, because there's a prize at the end of it.
You put dirt on my feet.
I'll put dirt and let you face in a second.
Can I have the nail clippers? Which are the nail clippers? The ones that I cut my nails with last time.
Look like mint.
No. No, it's super.
It's rosemary.
Rosemary doesn't look like that.
Yes, it does.
It
It's got
does.
the little leaves. And then you do that.
Alex, what are you doing there? You're building a skyscraper.
Yes. I'm going to take this one off and add it to the top of it.
Yeah, so how tall is your bonsai going to be, do you think? Okay. There, so it depends. You may well want to put
Wait,
there.
put it sideways.
Do me next.
Well, that's
So it'll be
that's
like,
yeah.
more like
And once
that.
once you take that out and start
That
getting
would
all the
look
dirt
much
off,
nicer. So get rid of that branch.
so you can
You got
get-
something to get rid of the poo though. I mean, I keep worrying I'm going to put my hand in it.
Right. Now I'm going to do a camera. Oh dear.
A camera.
That's just.
That's it. Let's get to those roots.
Got it loosening a bit now.
Oh, it's all over my.
It's all over your what?
My feet.
Your feet.
None of us are wearing
So you
my
haven't got bonsai boots on.
Of course not. Oh, I'm just taking a bit of
You're going to do a double knot. That's not bad. It looks like you've got some good wiring technique there. Did you learn that on one of my videos?
Yes.
Liar. I'm going to really enjoy cleaning my tools up. Really. Yeah.
So really, this bit as well is just sticking out.
Your scissors don't work.
They might work, but
Well, they've just gnarled that root.
yeah, I saw how you were doing it.
Gnarly.
There's learning lessons
See,
here.
that works.
I've learned a
These
few
ones
lessons.
work. These ones are good ones.
They're good
What
ones.
not to do.
You see why I use my
Don't
old
do
ones,
that.
because they're sharper. If I throw it to there.
This is-
Oh look, I found a rock. Look everybody.
Do you want to lower it a bit lower down? There we go, we can almost... No, don't you lower down. Okay.
Mud.
If you can move that wire out, James, you can move... My 40 or 50 pound pair of shears with stones and rocks and wire and everything.
Left
And there's-
everywhere.
Yeah.
They're messy.
Very, very messy, and I'm very, very but they've achieved 4, so we'll see those a bit later on. They're all cleaning up at the moment.
I think she's done pretty well with the wiring.
Right,
I
okay.
like it.
Wiring's pretty good, you like that? Very clean. Okay, so, and the last one?
Uncle James's.
They come back and say, I found the Nabari.
I'm a bonsai nerd.
Yeah.
I found the Nabari.
Holy Nabari. Obviously now we're seeing what you managed to make. How difficult did you find it?
A little bit.
A little bit.
Yeah.
And do you just want to spin what you managed to make? Just 360, it'll spin around, that's it. That's it, if you keep spinning it. I think we're going to be hard pressed to find another winner. That's a pretty good tree, Zeta. Well done.